Top passive income ideas for financial freedom. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the top passive income ideas for financial freedom. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Create a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel about something you're passionate about can lead to passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes some initial effort to create and promote your content, but once your videos start gaining traction, they can continue to earn money for you over time. Number 9. Sell printables or digital products. Selling printables or digital products online can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. Think planners, checklists, or other downloadable resources. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy or even your own website. Number 8. Create a mobile app. Developing a mobile app can be a great way to make passive income, especially if it solves a problem or provides real value. Once your app is up and running, you can earn through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. Sure, developing an app requires some initial work, but it can become a steady income source over time. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. By setting up a blog, website, or social media presence, you can drive traffic and earn passive income through affiliate links. Just make sure to choose products that resonate with your audience. Number 6. Write an ebook. If you have expertise or a compelling story, writing and self-publishing an ebook can be a great way to generate passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a wide audience and earn royalties each time your book is sold. Number 5. Create an online course. Have a skill or knowledge in a particular field. Creating and selling an online course can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Use platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable to create, market, and sell your course to a global audience. Number 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders. By investing in these platforms, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. It's a great way to generate passive income, but be sure to evaluate the risk and diversify your investments. Number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. If you're interested in real estate but don't want the hassle of managing properties, real estate crowdfunding might be for you. These platforms let you invest in real estate projects with lower capital requirements and earn a share of the rental income or profits when the property is sold. Number 2. Real estate rental properties. Owning rental properties is a classic method for earning passive income. After the initial purchase and setup, rental properties can provide a steady income stream from tenants. If managing properties sounds too hands-on, consider hiring a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks for you. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a tried and true way to generate passive income. Companies that pay dividends share a portion of their earnings with shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. By building a diversified portfolio of these stocks, you can enjoy regular payouts without actively managing your investments. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.